one question for you. As summers are approaching, so we would like to understand and of course need your guidance in how to take care of skin in summers and how to apply, reapply your sunscreen. So how do we should do that? Okay.
So as the summers are approaching, we all know a few basic principles and tips. One, obviously have a lot of fluid. Keep yourself hydrated. When it comes to your skincare, apart from your routine, the best and the most important part of your skincare is the sunscreen. And when you talk about sunscreen, how can you forget Bioderma? You have the best product, Photoderm Creme, which has been recently launched, and it has tinted sunscreen. So it has a good UVA, UVB coverage. It is non-comedogenic, non-greasy with PA factor 4 and a patented technology which has mannitol and ictoin. Both of them work as an antioxidant. So basically it also helps you to repair, restore and protect. So please ensure that your sunscreens are always there on this skin. You have to repeat your sunscreen every 4 hourly, and if you're in the water or near the beach side, it has to be repeated every hourly. Please use the right quantity of the sunscreen and ensure that you have blemish-free skin. So as I said, that the sunscreen has to be from sunrise to the sunset, and you have to reapply it. So reapplication should be every 3 to 4 hours. So what you can probably do, for example, if you are indoors and if you have the feasibility to wash your face, you can cleanse it and then reapply the right quantity. Or if you're outdoors and cleansing is not possible, it's okay. You can just layer it over your previous sunscreen. Now, if you are wearing a makeup, the best part about the tinted sunscreen is that you don't have to worry about your makeup, because you can use this same sunscreen over your makeup too. So I think sunscreens have become more simpler, and Bioderma here comes the best.